Hello everyone, and welcome to Mastering Bitcoin, the essential beginner's guide to your first investment. My name is Anonymous. I am the founder of a financial company and author of a bestseller. In this video, I will share with you everything that you need to know before buying your first Bitcoin. Let's get into it. Step 1. Get informed. It is critical that you understand the basics of Bitcoin before investing any money into it. And that is why I have created a free Bitcoin Basics guide for you. This guide covers all the essential things that you need to know, including what Bitcoin actually is, how does it work, where can you get it from, how to keep it safe, and most importantly, how to buy and sell it. You can download the guide by clicking the link below. In addition to that, I highly recommend that you watch some videos on YouTube about Bitcoin. I would suggest watching a couple of videos to start with. Step 2. Decide when to buy. There are many different ways to buy Bitcoin. You can do it instantly through various platforms, or you can choose a more gradual process like Bitcoin. However, no matter which option you choose, you must decide if you want to buy Bitcoin once or regularly over time. I recommend buying Bitcoin regularly over time regardless of the price. By doing so, you will reduce your average cost per Bitcoin and potentially increase your profit when you sell it later. But if you are not ready to buy Bitcoin regularly, then simply choose an amount that you are comfortable with and click Buy Now. Step 3. Choose your exchange. There are many exchanges available today where you can buy Bitcoin. However, it is important to remember that there are scammers out there who pretend to be reputable exchanges trying to steal your money. That is why I have listed for you some of the most reputable exchanges in the world. Before signing up to any exchange, make sure that you check its reputation. For example, on Trustpilot, read some reviews and make sure that they are recent. Then, check on Google if there have been any recent news about the exchange. Make sure that you are familiar with the fees of the exchange. Each exchange has its own fee structure, so make sure that you understand it before signing up. Also, make sure that you understand the verification process before you sign up, because sometimes it can take days or even weeks. And lastly, make sure that the exchange offers the payment method that you prefer. Most major exchanges accept bank transfers and credit cards, but some may also offer other options such as cash or cryptocurrencies. Step 4. Create your account. Once you have chosen an exchange, the next step is to create your account. This process is usually straightforward and should only take a few minutes. You will be required to provide some personal information, such as your full name, email address, and a password. After creating your account, you will need to verify it. This process usually involves providing a copy of your ID or passport. The verification process can take several days, so make sure to do it in advance. Step 5. Deposit funds. Once your account is verified, you can deposit funds using your preferred payment method. Most exchanges accept bank transfers and credit cards, but some may also offer other options such as cash or cryptocurrencies. When depositing funds, make sure to select the currency that you want to use. Once the funds are in your account, you can start buying Bitcoin. Step 6. Buy Bitcoin. Now that your account is funded, you can start buying Bitcoin. Select the amount of Bitcoin that you want to buy and click the Buy Now button. You can also set a limit order to buy Bitcoin at a specific price. If you're not ready to buy Bitcoin right away, that's okay. You can always cancel the order and try again later. Once you've decided how much Bitcoin you want to buy, the transaction will be completed and the Bitcoin will be transferred to your exchange wallet. You can then transfer the Bitcoin to your own wallet, or keep it in the exchange wallet if you want. Step 7. Secure your Bitcoin. It is crucial to keep your Bitcoin safe from hackers and scammers. That is why you should consider transferring the Bitcoin to your own wallet. There are many different wallets available, but I recommend using a hardware wallet such as a Ledger or a Trezor. A hardware wallet is a physical device that stores your Bitcoin offline, making it much safer than an online wallet. If you decide to use a hardware wallet, follow these steps to ensure maximum security. Firstly, make sure to create a recovery phrase when setting up your wallet. This phrase will allow you to access your wallet and your funds in the future. Keep your recovery phrase somewhere safe and do not share it with anyone. Secondly, enable two-factor authentication on your wallet. This will add an extra layer of security and will help to protect your funds from unauthorized access. Finally, regularly back up your wallet. This will ensure that you can recover your wallet and your funds in the event of any issues. Step 8. Learn about the technology. One of the best things about Bitcoin is that it is transparent and decentralized. This means that anyone can view the transaction history of their Bitcoin. You can use a blockchain explorer such as blockchain.com to view the transaction history of your Bitcoin. Simply enter your Bitcoin address into the search bar, and you will be able to see all the transactions that have occurred. This is a great way to ensure that your Bitcoin is secure and has not been tampered with. Additionally, you can also use a blockchain explorer to track the movement of your Bitcoin. This can be helpful if you ever need to recover your Bitcoin, or if you suspect that someone has stolen it. Step 9. Stay informed. It is important to stay informed about Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market in general. This will help you to make informed decisions about when to buy and sell Bitcoin. You can stay up to date on all the latest news by subscribing to reputable news sources such as CoinDesk and Cointelegraph. Additionally, you can also follow industry experts on social media to get their insights. By staying informed, you will be able to make the most of the opportunities that come with investing in Bitcoin. Step 10. Be patient. Investing in Bitcoin can be a long-term investment, and it is important to be patient. Don't expect to get rich quick. Instead, focus on the long-term potential of your investment. Be prepared for price fluctuations, and don't panic sell. With patience, you can potentially make a profit in the long run. Before we wrap up, I would like to leave you with a few final thoughts. Firstly, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Bitcoin is a volatile asset, and its value can fluctuate greatly. Therefore, it is important to only invest an amount that you are comfortable with losing. Secondly, always do your own research. Don't rely on other people's opinions or advice when making investment decisions. Take the time to learn about Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market before investing your money. Thirdly, diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your portfolio with other assets can help to reduce risk and maximize your returns. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.